Good evening everyone. Welcome to today's Maths Live class. Good evening everyone. Welcome to today's Maths Live class. Now, yesterday I revised about the math basics. In this, about the integers we revised yesterday also. And I have given some sums, some problems. I think, have you completed them? If you are completed, then you can comment in the comment box. You can answer that. And today's live class, in that, today I want to start the next topic is fractions. Before start today's class, let us revise that yesterday's class. And yesterday's class, what we learned on yesterday, that is integers. We learned integers in our previous class. In that, addition of integers, subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers, as well as division of integers we learned. In that, some rules also we learned. Hello guys. Hello guys. Are you able to my voice? Hi Andy. Hi. Hi to everyone. Are you able to my voice? Are you able to hear my voice? Are you getting that live class? Because on the Auntie live class, voice clarity in the. You can answer me in the comment box. Right? Hello. Hello. Hi everyone. Now in this integers, addition of integers, multiplication of integers, subtraction of integers, addition of integers, subtraction of integers, as well as multiplication of integers and division of integers. These are all we learned in our previous class. We learned the fundamental basics. In that, what are the rules also? Those are also we learned. Just we will revise. Let's start the revision of that integers and later we will start today's topic. In that integers, addition of integers. For example, in this, how can you add? How to add? When you have to add the integers? What are integers? What are integers? Integers are nothing but those are numbers. What are integers? Integers are numbers in that positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. The combination of these are all numbers. We call it as integers. So positive numbers are nothing but plus numbers. Negative numbers are nothing but minus numbers and including 0. These are all numbers together we call it as integers. And integers are represented by the letter I or Z. Capital letters only are used for the representation of the numbers. In this, I or Z is used for the representation of integers. So what are integers? What is it? In this, negative numbers and so on. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. These are the integers. The combination of negative numbers, 0 and positive number, these are all numbers. Together we call it as integers. Here we represented here and so on. If you represent like this, that is nothing but and so on. What is the meaning of and so on means? Here that is no end. Here so many numbers are there. In this and so on is nothing but infinity. That means we cannot count the numbers. Infinity numbers are there like that. Here also right side of the number also and so on. That means positive numbers also infinity number. Infinity numbers. Infinity is nothing but we cannot count the numbers. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే అనంత. Can you count the stars? No. We cannot count the stars. Like that here also numbers also we cannot count. So here like that you have to represent. These numbers we call it as integers. In that integers, main basic fundamental operations we learn in the addition of integers, subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers and division of integers. In that addition of integers, just one example I require here. In this, suppose 2 plus 3. This already we know. 2 plus 3, anyone you can say the answer. Yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes, you can say 2 plus 3 equal to 5. This anyone also you can say. Why? Because we learned these only. But here for example, minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3. That means here two numbers are negative numbers. Then also you should add the numbers but write the symbol that is negative. Whenever two symbols are same, if it is either positive or negative, then also you should add the numbers and after that you should write the symbol. Whatever the symbol these numbers are having, that symbol you should represent. 2 plus 3 is nothing but a 5. 5 is nothing but a plus 5. Minus 2 minus 3 value equal to minus 5. I think everyone got the clarity. Yes sir. Now see here, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5. This is under addition. This is under addition. In that addition, like that you will get. For example, here subtraction. In this subtraction, how to do the subtract? What is the rule in the integers means? Whenever two symbols are different, then you should do the subtraction. If two numbers are the same symbol, then you should add. If two symbols are different, then you should subtract the numbers. That means for example here, minus 5 plus 2 equal to how much? Minus 5 plus 2. And one more example here, 7 or same number I am writing, 5 minus 2. Then you will get the clarity. Yes or no? The same numbers if I am writing, then you can understand clearly. So minus 5 plus 2. Here one is negative and another one is positive. Then also you should subtract the number. Here also one is a plus and another one is minus. Here plus means any other symbol is not there. Whenever first number before any other symbol is not there means the meaning is nothing but that is positive. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. This we know very well. Everyone you know very well. Minus 5 plus 2 equal to, here also you should do the subtraction. That subtraction also from the big number to small number, you should do the subtraction. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3, but big number is having negative symbol, so you also should write negative. That means whatever the symbol is having the big number, that symbol only you have to write in front of the answer. Any doubts in this? Right, see now. This is addition and this one is subtraction. Now, next topic is here multiplication. Multiplication of the numbers. In this integers, what a multiplication of integers? Directly I am writing here 2 into minus 3. Otherwise 2 into 3 first you write, plus into plus. Next minus 2 into minus 3. Again minus 2 into plus 3. Again 2 plus 2 into minus 3. These four are the rules. For the multiplication as well as the division, same rules are applicable. So plus into plus, you will get plus. Here I am writing, for example here, plus into plus. Plus into plus equal to, you will get plus. As well as minus into minus, you will get plus. Again plus into minus, equal to minus, and minus into plus equal to, you will get minus. Right? See all of you. This is very, very important. Don't confuse. Many students, they are confusing about this. In this addition and subtraction also they are confusing. Don't confuse. These are the basic fundamentals. So here plus into plus, here either multiplication or the division also same rule. So here multiplication or division. Here also multiplication or division. I will indicate with the different color pen. Here also division, like that division, like that division. Then you will get plus into plus, or plus divided by plus also you will get plus. As well as minus divided by minus also you will get plus. But a plus into minus, one is a positive and another one is a negative. Then if you multiply these two symbols, then you will get negative. That means minus you will get. If you divide these two numbers, these two symbols also you will get same thing. So if you divide these two symbols also, you will get same, that is minus. Here also minus divided by plus also you will get negative. These are the basic rules. Just you have to remember this. In this next one, see here. In this just we will write multiplication 2 into 3. That equal to how much you will get? 2 3 is 6 you will get. Like that 2 into 3. Here also 2 3. First whenever you are multiplying the integers, then first multiply the numbers or the symbols, next numbers. Anyone you can do. Here minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6. Like that here also 2 3 is 6. But here 1 minus is there. Here any other symbol is not there, is nothing but a plus. Minus into plus, that equal to minus. Here also 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6. But here 1 minus is there, then you will get minus. This is the basic fundamental. Any doubts? Next division. In this division, just we will check it here. 6 divided by 2 minus 6 divided by minus 2 plus 6 divided by minus 2 minus 6 divided by plus 2. These are the questions. 6 divided by 2, that equal to 6 by 2 equal to how much you will get? 3. As well as here also minus divided by minus, you can simply cancel the symbols. Again 6 by 2 equal to 3. Again here 6 by 2 also you will get 3. But here 1 minus is there, so you will get minus. Here also 6 by 2, that equal to 3. But here 1 minus symbol is there, so you will get minus. This is the main basic fundamental operations of integers. These are the rules applied here. Any doubts in that? Let's start today's topic. Today's topic is the next one is fractions. What is the topic? Fractions. Next topic is fractions. So in that, different types of fractions are there. That is at a basic level. That is like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, as well as mixed fractions. These are the types of fractions. Here what we have to learn, how to find out the LCM. LCM when you will find out, when the given function, given fractions are unlike the fractions. For example here, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 equal to how much? This is the question. So here, can you add the fractions directly? Or can you subtract the fractions directly? No, you cannot add or you cannot subtract the fractions. So what you have to do, here you have to find out the LCM. That's very, very, very important. LCM you have to find out by using the division method. That is easy. Here in this, for the denominators you have to find out the LCM. Here the denominators are 3 and 5. Whenever only two numbers are there, then directly you can find out the LCM. That how to find out, just multiply these two numbers. Denominators 3 into 5 equal to 15 is the LCM. 15 is the LCM. Directly write that 15. Next 3 goes. In this, what you can do, directly cross multiply. How can you find out? 3. Whenever these two numbers are multiplied to get the LCM value, then you cross multiply these two numbers and here you have to write it. That means 2 5 ja 10 plus 3 4 ja, that equal to 22 divided by 50. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this? This method is only applicable whenever two fractions are given. That time also LCM you found the value by calculator by multiplying the denominators. Only two denominators are given. Then only you can find out and you can follow this method. Otherwise this is not applicable. One more example I will see. Just we'll check it here. Example number 2. This is example number 1. 2 by 7 plus here 5 by 21. 2 by 7 plus 5 by 21 equal to how much? This is the question. Here also denominator, you cannot add the fractions directly or you cannot subtract the fractions directly. We know very well that. So what you have to do? Find out the LCM for the denominators value. What are the denominators here? 7 and 21 are the denominator. So just write down 7 comma 21. 7 comma 21. So in these two numbers, no need to multiply to get the LCM value. What you have to do here? Just you have to find out the LCM by using the division method. See, in both the numbers, which number is divisible? 7 is. 7 divides 7 one time, in this 3 times. So LCM of these two numbers equal 7 into 1 into 3, that equal to 7 3 ja 21 is the value. So LCM equal to how much we are getting here? 21. So 21 is the value. Then directly draw that line and write the LCM value 21. Here we cannot cross multiply the numbers to get the value. What you have to do? 21 just write down. 7 goes in 21 how many times? Like that. Otherwise directly here you can write here into 21 into 21. Then 7 goes in 21 how many times? 7. 3. How many times? 7. 3 ja 21. So 2 3 ja 6. plus 21 and 21 cancel here, 5 you are getting. This is one of the method. Otherwise 7 goes in 21 how many times? 3 times. So 3 into 2 plus 21 goes in 21 how many times? 1 time. So 1 into 5, 5. Like that you have to write down. Now this one equal to 6 plus 5 equal to 11 divided by 21. What's the value? That equal to 11 by 21. This value 6 plus 5 equal to 11. 11 by 21 you are getting. Any doubts in this? If it is the addition or subtraction of fractions also, you should follow the same procedure. See now in this. Shall I repeat now? Any doubts, anyone? Next see. Addition of the fractions we are done. We have completed now. Just now let us start the subtraction of the fractions. In the subtraction of fractions here, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 1 equal to how much? 4 by 3 minus 2 by 5 equal to how much? That equal to, again you have to find out the LCM. So here denominators are 3 and 5 are the denominators. Then you should multiply 3 5 equal to 15. So write that value 15. LCM equal to 3 into 5, that equal to 15. LCM equal to 3 5 15. So 15 is the LCM value. Draw that line and write the denominator value 15. Now here 3 goes in 15 how many times? Just you have to check it like this. 5 times. 3 5 15. So here numerator value 4 into 5 minus, whenever these two are multiplied to get the LCM value, what I said, one trick you can follow, that is cross multiplication. That means 4 5 minus is there, minus you should write. If it is a plus, then you should write plus symbol. Then here 2 into 3. 2 into 3 or 3 into 4 5 is equal to 20 minus 2 3 is equal to 6 divided by 15. Now 20 minus 6 equal to how much? 20 minus 6 equal to how much? 14. So 14 divided by. Any doubts? Now here 14 by 15 equal to, this is the answer. One more question here. For example, 2 by 3 and let us check out one more example here. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 1 minus 5 by 6. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 minus 5 by 6. Here addition and subtraction. Both the symbols are there. So you have to find out the LCM only. Only one method is there for the simplification, that is LCM. LCM you have to find it for the denominator's value. These are the denominators. So LCM just you have to find out for the denominator's value. What are the denominators here? 3, 5 and 6. Write the numbers and put the commas. Next here, among the three numbers, how many numbers are there also? You have to consider more than half of the numbers. In more than half of the numbers, at least one number should be given. So 3, 5, 6, more than half of the numbers are nothing but two numbers. In these two numbers, which number is divisible, that you have to check it and find out. In 3 and 6, 3 is divisible, no? So 3 divides 3 one time. In 5 it is not divisible. As well as 3 divides 6, how many times? 2 times. 3 2 is 6. Now here 1, 5, 2, only prime numbers we got it. In this, any other number is not divisible in both the numbers. So you have to consider LCM equal to, find out these all numbers, multiplication 3 into 5 into 1, no need to write. Into 1 also you will get the same number. If you write into 1 or not also, you will get the same value. So 3 5 ja 15, 15 2 ja, that equal to 30. So here LCM equal to how much? 30. One simple method here, how can you write? Into 30 LCM value, just write here into 30 into 30. Then you can simplify easily. 3 goes in 30 how many times? 10 times. Again 5 goes in 30 6 times. And 6 goes in 30 5 times. Now here 3, 2 into 10, 20 plus 4 6 are 24 minus 5 5 are 25. 5 5 are 25. Now 20 plus 24 equal how much? 44 minus 25 divided by 30. Now, what's the value? Anybody, can you tell me? 44 minus 25 equal to how much? Or one simple method, or here I am writing simple way here. First one is 20. 24 minus 25 equal to how much? Anyone? Can you answer me? Anyone, can you answer me? Here 24 minus 25 equal to how much? Minus 1 divided by 30. 20 minus 1 equal to how much? 19 by 30. Which one is easy? Here 44 minus 25, this is also you are getting 19 by denominator is 30. Like that, either or you can do. Like this you can do, or anyone also you can do. This one or this one. Any one only you have to write that. This is easy for simplification due to the we learned like this also. If you do like this, 44 minus 25 again you have to subtract. It will take some time, no? So this is the easy method to simplify these numbers. Any doubts? Next, one more important topic is here percentage. percentages. Percentages is the next topic. For example, here 25%. This is the symbol of percentage. How can you represent the percentage? That is the symbol. This is symbol. Percentage. Percent. Cent is nothing but 100. Percent. Per means each. So here 25% is nothing but 25 by 100. Percent is nothing but divided by 100. You should write 25% equal to, write in a fraction, the meaning of that one equal to 25 by 100. Right? How the results are giving, how much percentage you are getting or how much percentage you got, like that. Suppose 75% or 80% or 90% of marks we got. That means 90% is nothing but per 100. For each 100 we got 90 marks or 75 marks or 80 marks, like that. Here 25% is nothing but 25 divided by 100. So 25 by 100. For example, 0.03%. That means here decimal point before 0 it has no value. Number before 0 also it has no value. Directly just write the number 3 by 100. 0.03% is nothing but how much is the value? 0.03, that means 03. Just remove the decimal point. How to remove the decimal point? 0.03. This how can you remove? Remove the decimal point divided by point before, point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. Just you have to write down by 100 multiplication of. So 0.03 by 100. Otherwise directly you write 0.03 divided by 100. Later I will explain that one. 0.03 by 100. Percent is nothing but by 100. For example here 7%. That means 7 by 100. Any more doubts? This is the meaning of percentage. In this decimal to fraction and a fraction to decimal conversion also I will explain. Fraction to decimal conversion. Fraction to decimal conversion. Fraction to decimal conversion here. 35 by 10. This is one of the fraction 35 by 10. That equal to, write this value in decimal number. Fraction to decimal convert. Convert this fraction into decimal. In the denominator 10 is there. That means one after 1 0 is there, means write the number as it is. And after that, from the right side of the digits to count to 1 digit. After you have to put the decimal. 3.5. Like that here 35 by 100. That means here 2 zeros are there, means count 2 digits 1 and 2. After you have to put the decimal point. That means 0.3. Suppose here 35 by 1000. That equal to 35 by 1000 means in the denominator 1 after 3 zeros. When these are all 10 power numbers, whenever 10 power numbers are there, then only you have to follow this procedure. Otherwise this is not applicable. So 35 divided by 1000 equal to, here 3 zeros are there, means count 3 digits after you have to put the decimal point. But here only 2 digits are given. Those two first you write, and later one more digit. Instead of one more digit, you have to put the 0, and after that keep 0 and point. That means 0.035 is the value. Any doubts in this? Any doubts? One more, 35 divided by 10,000. 35 divided by 10,000. That equal to, how many zeros are there? Count number of zeros. 4 zeros are there. So here the numerator value, consider the numerator value out and count 4 digits after you have to keep the decimal point. After means before that. So 4 digits before you have to keep the decimal point. So here 2 digits are there, only 2 digits write down, and more 2 digits are required, here not there. So you have to write zeros instead of, later before you have to keep the decimal point. And here also, that means 0.0035 is the value. Any doubts? Any doubts in this? Next, decimal to fraction conversion. Decimal to fraction conversion. In this decimal to fraction conversion, how to write here? See. In this 3.5, decimal point after one digit is there, remove the decimal point. Remove the decimal point. 35 divided by point after one digit is there. So you should write 1 comma 1 after 0 you write. And here 3.52, then decimal point after 2 digits are there, remove the decimal point and write the number and divide it by 1 after 2 zeros you have to write down. Point after how many number of digits are there, those number of zeros you have to write down. Here 1 digit is there, so you have to put 1 after 0. Here 2 digits are there, so you have to put 1 after 2 zeros. Like that, 3.525. Here 3 digits are there, so you have to write the 3525 divided by 1000. By 1000. That's all. This is our today's class. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, then you can ask me. And you can clear your doubts. You can ask me in the comment section. And thank you for joining. And my request, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And please share this information to your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining.